What's up, guys? This is Austin from Bryant Drums. Today I have a 5-minute warm-up exercise for you. It's actually 5 different exercises. It's going to be all double strokes, and we're going to be moving those accents around. So you'll be going from your upbeat to your downbeat, vice versa, mixing it up. It's going to help push your endurance, your speed, build your vocabulary. This is a great thing to do before you do your practice session or before you do a gig or before you do a recording thing. It's 5 minutes structured. If you want, you can do it multiple times and push the tempo. We're gonna do it at 75 beats per minute, which is right in the intermediate to advanced level, and you can keep pushing it to really, really push that sticking in that exercise. So without further ado, let's jump into it. We're gonna throw 5 minutes on the clock. All right, ready? I always try to remember to breathe while I do this. Try to keep those downstrokes almost exaggerated and those non-accented hits as small as you can. Wow, it's really hard to talk and play. Almost halfway done with the first exercise, guys. The second one will be the same thing, but reverse, starting with our left hand. I got all you lefties. All one of you lefties. All right, 2. Here we go, left. So left hand first, downbeats, then upbeats. If you get off the click, just jump back in with me. It's okay to make mistakes. I do. So does everybody. You don't see it on Instagram, but people do make mistakes. All right, so our third one is gonna be diving back into rights first. And it's gonna be a measure of all accents, then all ghosted or non-accented. 5 seconds. All right, next one, right hand lead. And over-exaggerate those doubles and those ghosts, or tap strokes rather. So I'm most thinking my full stroke, and then it's tapping. Almost halfway done with this warm up, guys. You'll be ripping through your solos in no time. After this one, we're gonna start with our non-dominant hand, or for me, my left. And we're gonna be quiet for the whole first measure. And then we're gonna switch to the second measure, all accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start with your left, go. Mistakes, guys. It's all about getting better, making it cleaner next time. As quiet as you can do that first measure. And really over-exaggerate those accents. After this, we're on our last exercise. We're gonna go back to our right hand leads. And it's gonna be 2 downbeats, followed by 2 upbeats. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, switch. afraid to push those dynamics. Should be feeling this. Last one, guys. About 20 seconds left. 10 seconds left. All right, guys, that's it. I'm gonna kill this metronome for us. So, hopefully you guys feel that. You feel that in your forearms, but mostly working those wrists and those fingers. Like I said, you can do this one time, you can do it 2, you can do it 3 to really build up a really good routine. To do this 3 times and kind of push your beats per minute each time you do it. See where you cap out. If you ever can't do it, it's okay to stop and get back into it, regroup. Like I said, you could print out this PDF to play along. The music will be playing throughout. So let me know if you like hearing the metronome or if you like hearing the music, have something to kind of like feel throughout the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be back every so often with another warm-up video, 5 minutes. I'll catch you next time. Peace. Happy playing.